What is it? What is it?
Mazokeke, I was even coming to your house, oh.
To do what?
Mazokeke, I have something very important I want to discuss with you now.
Something important.
Trust me, you will like this one. This one is beneficial to you.
You know I don't joke with my time.
I know you don't joke with your time now, Mazi. So just relax.
Tell me the thing here. Why don't you tell me the thing here?
Mazi, don't you know that the walls have ears? How will I tell you things here now? Let's go to your house.
Since you said it's important, let us go to my house.
Mazi, let's go now.
Agidiba.
Mazi, okay.
We are in my house.
I know we're in your house.
Why are you not talking?
Mazi, I cannot come to your house and you will not offer me anything. You have to offer me something before I talk now.
Are you sure you did not even come to my house to just eat things and go?
Mazi, okay.
Agidiba.
Do you want to become the Igwe of this kingdom?
Agidiba. What kind of question is that? Don't joke with me with that kind of question.
Mazi, okay. Do you want to become the Igwe of this community?
Of course, you know I'm supposed to, by right, I'm supposed to become the Igwe of this community. Well, where are you heading to?
Mazi, I have the offer with me.
You have the offer?
Mazi, okay, I have the offer with me.
Mazi,
okay. You should trust me now.
You are my friend now.
You should trust me now.
Oh yeah, now where is the offer now?
I can't give you like that. It will cost you 10,600 before I can give you the offer.
What is 10,600 compared to the offer? I will give you 12,500.
What do you want will happen? By 6 p.m. meet me at that junction.
I will be there.
6 p.m.
I will be there.
Mazi, okay.
Mazi,
okay.
When you go to Mama G's place. Take 2 beer. 3 plates of Ukobi on me.
Mazi, okay. See you 6 p.m. now.
One man come and buy this one. I just brought it from Addis Ababa.
It seems like your roof is leaking, you know.
But I know it's rainy season. I just have to make a little repairs.
There's something important I want to discuss with you.
What is it again this time?
It's a very, very serious business. I know you will like it. But you know I can't discuss it here with you because you have people around. Can we just step aside and talk?
Come on, let us go inside now.
No, Chief John Bosco, let's just step aside and talk now. We can't talk inside.
Agidigba.
Chief.
Agidigba, you have come again.
Chief, trust me, you will like this one.
Agidigba, mama.
Let's go now.
Chief John Bosco,
Agidigba.
Would you like to become the Igwe of this community?
Igwe? Chief, answer me now. Will you like to become the Igwe of this community?
Who will not like to be the Igwe?
Don't worry now. I have the offer with me.
Funke!
Why?
Where is it?
Don't worry, it is somewhere. You know, I can't be carrying it around. It is somewhere. See, all you have to do is, you come and meet me in that junction.
I will meet you anywhere.
Meet me in that village junction by 6 o'clock. But Chief, it will cost you 10,600.
10,600?
It will cost you 10,600 for me.
Agidigba, shut up! Your face more than that. It was more than that. Yeah. I will give you 15,150.
Yes! On God. 6 o'clock. Let's meet at that.
I'll be there by 5.
Just wait for me.
Chief. Igadio.
Okay. Hey! Igwe.
Zemo ataku Igwe. I don't want me. Agidigba. Hey! So you think I will not catch you? What are you doing here? Come on, go home. I will make sure I tell your father. Come on, get out of this place. Children of nowadays, Follow this useless boy. You left me at that T junction for 2 days. These 2 weeks, I did not see you. My money, I did not see. The offer, I did not see. Just because I want to become the ego of this community. What is the meaning of this nonsense?
Funke!
I will make sure. Just that I don't want to take action now. I will deal with you in this community.
Agidibga! Hey!
Chief John Bosco,
What's your cake?
what are you doing here?
Agidibga, where is my money?
He's owing you too.
He's owing me my brother, oh. Agidibga, where is my money? Since 2 weeks now, 2 weeks, you left me stranded. Money, I did not see. The business we had, you did not deliver.
Chief John Bosco, what was it that he did not deliver?
Mazio Keke, be careful. Be very careful. Must you know everything? Must you know everything? What was the business you even have with him?
John Bosco Afuku. Better respect yourself. The business I have with him is between me and the gods.
Chief John Bosco, what business did we have?
Agidibga, deep down, you know.
You be mumu. Mazio Keke, which business did we have?
Agidibga, don't play smart with me. Don't play smart with me.
If both of you cannot open your mouth and say the business we had, it means we had no business.
Hi guys, thank you very much for watching that video. If you enjoy yourself watching that video, please like, comment and share this video. Please like, comment and share this video, and please also subscribe. Please subscribe. It doesn't take you anything, it doesn't cost you any money to subscribe to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button below, subscribe, and also turn your post notification so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. From next week, we'll be dropping 2 videos every week. Trust me, from next week, we'll be dropping 2 videos every week. So please subscribe, turn on your post notification, and please tell other people to come and subscribe to our channel to be entertained. Follow us on Facebook at House of Lenzi. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, the House of Lenzi. Download all our videos from our website, both old, new, www.houseoflenzi.com. And please keep subscribing. We love you all. It's because of you we are here. If not because of you, we will not be here. Please keep subscribing. Keep subscribing, please. Thank you very much. See you next week.